Today, I'll show you how to transfer money from GCash to PayPal. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in and that your GCash account has enough balance. Before starting, it is important to know that GCash usually supports linking PayPal for cashing in from PayPal to GCash, but sending money directly from GCash to PayPal may not always be available as a built-in feature. So, first check if your GCash app has a PayPal transfer option. On the GCash home screen, tap View All or More Services. Look for Bank Transfer, Global Pay, PayPal, or any available international transfer option. If PayPal appears as a supported option, tap it and follow the instructions on the screen. Enter the required PayPal details, check the amount, review any fees, then confirm the transaction. If PayPal does not appear, then GCash may not support direct transfer to PayPal from your account. In that case, you may need to use another method. One common option is to transfer your GCash balance to a bank account first. Open GCash, tap Bank Transfer, choose your bank, enter the amount, and complete the transfer. After the money reaches your bank account, check if your PayPal account allows you to add money from that bank. Another option is to use a card linked to your GCash account if PayPal supports it. Open PayPal, go to Wallet, and add your card details if available. Then use PayPal's available options to pay or fund transactions. Remember, the available methods can depend on your country, PayPal account type, and GCash features. Also, always use official GCash and PayPal options only. Avoid third-party services that claim they can instantly convert GCash to PayPal, especially if they ask for your OTP, MPIN, password, or login details. So, to keep it simple, check if GCash offers a direct PayPal transfer option. If not, transfer to a bank first, then use PayPal's supported funding options. And that's how you transfer money from GCash to PayPal. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.